Now we'll discuss about to the what is a testing methodology. That is a four types. Already I told that one. So first one is the functional testing, and second one is the performance testing, and third one is the security testing, and fourth one is the regression testing. So must and should we can use it to the functional testing only. It is the verifies the software applications indeed of the functional requirements, and it is verified to the what is the performance of the functional correctly or not. We can check to the first testing only, that is the functional. So second one is this is the second one the second one is the performance testing. It is used to the evaluation of the performance of the previous content. So then this is the used to the various of the that information. It is used to the only testing performance only. So third one is the security testing. It is the access of the software testing levels, and it is used to the it is dependence to the previous testing information. So the next is the fourth one, that is the regression testing. So regression testing is used to the like what is the new code changes information, and we can generate it to the new software informations, and it is mostly taken to the help of the like integration testing also. It is a combination of the two testings, that is the integration testing and that is the regression testings. We'll discuss to the testing methodologies. This is the four types of testing methodologies. First one is the functional testing, and second one is the performance testing, and third one is the security testing, and fourth one is the regression testing. So first one is the functional testing. So functional testing, it is performance indeed and of the functional correctly or not. We can check to the what is the performance of the functional testing. So this is the functional testing information. So then is second one is the performance testing. So evaluate the software information. We can like value conditions of the that information. It is checked to the what is the load conditions of the performance testing. So second one is the performance testing. So third one is the security testing. So security testing is the identifies to the assessment of the software information, and it is attached to the what is the resistance of the power of testing information. So this is a security testing. This is the third one. So fourth one is the regression testing. So regression testing, it is must and should use it to the what is the like code generation and what is the new condition we can apply to the testing information. That is a related of the regression testing. One more point is there, regression testing is combination of the integration testing also. So it is the four types of testing. Next content is to the we'll discuss about to the what is the node reduction algorithms. It is find out to the three types of information. So first one is the identify the redundant nodes, and second one is the remove of the redundant of the nodes, and third one is the optimize test suite for the information. So identify redundant nodes is must and should we can use it to the what is the covered of the node information, and it is decrease of the node to the node information. It is used to the step by step information, and it is used to the what is the redundancy of the time period and what is the reduction of the node to node information. So that is the first one. So identify to the redundant nodes. So second one is the remove redundant nodes. So it is what is the compromise of the that information. So previous it is dependence to the first information. So same it will be declared to the what is the identification of the redundant nodes. Then second one is the remove the redundancy of the information. So it is dependence to the identify the information, and must and should we can compromising to the test of information. So third one is the optimize test suitable information. It is it is also reduces of the what is the time. So what is the time and what is the resource of the that information. So next is the what is the node reduction. What is the node reduction algorithm definition? So node reduction algorithm is mainly used for the all intermediate nodes removed to the nodes information. That is the first one is the entry information, and second one is the exit node. So it is thereby used to creating a direct link of the two nodes, that is the entry node and exit node. We can wipe to the that information, we can proceed to the second step of the information. Once we can remove to the all the nodes, we can identify the we can debugging to the step by step information, and can easily identify that one. That is the debugging information. So next is the, like, we can use it to the like steps for the node reduction algorithm. We can must and should we can use it to the so many steps is there, particularly we particularly use it for the 8 steps of the information. So steps for we can follow to the steps for the node reduction algorithm. So many steps we can follow to the node reduction algorithm, but now we particularly choose to the some steps of the algorithm, that is a 8 steps of the algorithm. So first one is the combine all serial links by multiplying the that path expression, and second one is the combine all parallel links by like adding their path expression. So this is the similar of the that information, and must and should we can check to the carefully, because of first is the like serial links information, that is the multiplication of the that step. Second one is the combine of parallel links. So serial is the multiply the information, and parallel is the addition information. So we can check, and we can check to the every information, and we can clear to the what is the like what is the information of the node reductions of the that particular movement. So third step, step 3 is the remove all self loops, and we can find out we can replacing with a like x of the star information, that is a like multiply information. So we can check to the what is the parallel information and what is the serial information. So based on the information, we can calculate it to the that step information. So where x is the path expression of the like link in the that loop, it is represented to the like we can create it to the self loop for is the that is the best solution for to the like creation of the self loop. It is the one node is we can redundant to the that ball the diagram, we can create it to the self loop. That is a third step of the information. So fourth steps, and step 4 to 8 we can choose to the algorithm of the loops, and it is clear to the. So first we can analyze to the what is the like step 4 to the step 8 information. So step 4, select step 4 we can use it to the replaces of the information, and first we can choose to the select any node for removal other than the initial or final node information, and we can replace it to the what is the like what is the set equivalence of the whose path expressions, and it is used to the what is the product information, and which links we can use it. That one must and should we can use it to the in link information, and with the set of outlinks of the that node information. So like next, like fifth step, step 5 is combine any serial combine any remaining serial links by multiplying their path expressions. So any means we can use it to the some path expressions, and we can club to the that information, and we can redundance to the that nodes middle of the that nodes. Then we can add to the any information, that is the leaving the information, we can combine to the that information of the path expressions. So step 6, so combine all parallel links by adding their path expression. So parallel information is the we can use it to the like same information we can reflect it to the addition of the number, and we can use it to the like alphabet numbers. Then otherwise we can use it to the node reductions, and pass the expression and path and states. We can move to the one information to the another information, we can move up the that information. So step 7, so we can use it to the removal all self loops as in the step 3. So step 3 is the first of all, so step 3 is we can use it to the like remove all self loops, and we can replacing the x star, that is the multiplying information. So we can continue to the same information in the like step 7 information, that is the removal all self loops as per the we can schedule of this step 3 information. So this is the seventh step and eighth step. So eighth step is the graph. The graph consists of the that information link between to the entry node to the and exit node, and it is used of the what is the path expression of the original flow graph, and we can otherwise we can choose to the we can follow to the step for information. So next we can choose to the what is the reduction procedure example. We'll take to the example of the we can applying to the what is the content and what is the nodes and what which one is we can use it to the this information. First is the like this is the one information. So this is the node reduction of the best example of the node reduction algorithm. So it is used to the 1 number to the 10. We can use it to the alphabet also. So this is the nodes and this is the denoted of the numbers, denoted of the alphabets and denoted of the numbers, and it is move on to the 1 2 3 3 to 4, and it is moved to the number to the number. Particularly we can choose to the what is the number of in between space. So 1 is the first space and 2 is the last space. We can initialize that one because of in between space we can reduction to the all the we can reduction to the all the nodes. Then finally we can we got to the path expression of the total information. So this is the example of the that one. We can go to the board through. It is moving to the one node to the another node. This is the first step of the example, and it is redirected to the one node. We can remove to the load of the informations. It is connected to the one number to the another number. Particularly we can mention to the what is the node value and what is the reflected number, and it is given to the A to 3 is given to the alphabetic is A, and 4 to 5 is given to the C, and 5 to 6 is D, and 6 to 2 is the 6 to 2 is the we can declare of the number is 2, and 7 is the F, G and H, I, J, K, L and M. This is the example of the first node reduction. We can remove to the step by step information, and we can use it to the step of the information. First step we can remove to the remove of the node 10. So step 2, sorry ma, step 1 only. So we can remove and 10 loop, and we can write to the how to move to the path expression. We can remove the one node, how to go to the that information and which place to which place. So 3, 4 as usual we can write to the that path, that numbers and expression. It is removing of the only one number, that is the one number that is called to the node. This is all called to the nodes only. This is the numbers, and this is a this is the state of the information. So we can remove of the only one node, that is the 10. So it is connected to the same places sign F, G and H. so we can remove of the 10 only. So 10 node, which node to connected to the directly, this is the remove to the remove of the first step information. So it is where it is go to the that information, it is directly connected to the this number. So that is the like 6 to 9. And next content, so already I can move to the this number 10 to 7, so that is also connected to the same information. We can reflect it to the what is the number of the that node reduction information. So it is F, G, H and previous content 1 minute. So it is reflected to the I and H. So next is the, so we can reflect it to the I and 1 minute. So one I and L also reflected that one, because of this is the like serial information. We can parallel information we can add to the that information, and serial information is used to the multiplying the information. So M next is the, so M it is closer to the 10 also. So now it is connected to the direct, now it is directly connected to the 6 to 10 info, 6 to 7 only. Then next step is the, step 2, remove to the second node, that is the 9. So it is connected to the where it is go to the, first of all we can remove to the 10, then next we can use it to the step of the second step, that is the we can remove to the second step, that second node, that is the 9. It is also we can drop that one, we can erase to the that information. It is which place to which is connected to the that information, we can represent it to the that information. So this is the 5 as usual, that information we can reflect it. So 5 and 6 and D and 2, then as usual we can remove to the 9 only. So where it is go to the that information, then that is connected of the that information. So F, G and 5 to 6 information we can remove to the 9 also. So first 10, so it is connected to the directly 5 information, because of this path is going to the first is it is going to the 10 to 9, 9 to 8. So that's why it is moving to the same content of the information, it is going to the only serial path, that's why we can choose that one. So it is clear of the that information, we can erase to the that information for that one. So 5 is 6 and 6 content is going to the 5 information. So that is a 5. We can create it to the self loop, and it is represented to the number of I and H. So then next content is, no ma, 1 minute, it is reflected to the I, J, K, L. Next is the same, it is reflected to the same numbers and K, L and H, and I information also I, H and K. It is represented to the H and K information. So same as usual, the sixth node is connected to the 7, that is the I, M. So it is clear to the that information. So step 3 we can use to this step 3 information also. So it is step 3. So step 3 we can remove to the node of 8. We can remove that one, because of we can reduce to the one node to step by step information, and we can use it to the one node to the another node. So we can delete it to the node by node information. So first we can remove to the 10th, and next step we can use of the we can delete it to the remove of the second content, that is the 9. Next we can next we can remove of the 8 node also. Sorry ma, we can use to the step 3, and that is removal of number is 7 only. So 4.5 as usual 6 and 2. So self loop is continued to that information, that is the ILS IL. So IL, it is same continue to the that self loop A B C D E, same as it is 8. It is content to the reflected to the 7 node information and 8th node information also we can reflect it to the this path information. So this is the last content of the information. It is F and J information. So first point is we can check to the, so F and J, so this is the serial path, that's why we can add to the that information also. And F and J, second one is, so second content, that is the 4 to move to the 4 to 8 information, that is reflected to the G I. So second one, sorry, my third one is the H information, H and K, we can reflect it to the H and K. So this is the information I am, and we can use it to the parallel information, that's why we can add it to the IMF. So I am into F, we can add IMF we can add to the one continuation loop, we can use it to the continuation of the that information. End of the path expression we can remove to the that information. So step 4, remove to the 8. So now we can change to the total information. So finally we can remove to the 8 source also. So then remaining information is created to the of the self loops, and it is going to the 4 to 3 and 5 to 6. 5 to 6 is already there. Then continuation we can again we can create it to the self loop of the 4 to the 8, 4 to the 5. And 4 and 5 and 6 and 2, we can continuation this process, remove of the node 8 A B C D E. So we can remove to the total based of the that information. So previous content we can connect it to the all information of the 8 continuation of 8 node only. So now we can remove to the 8 node also. So then we can create it to the self loops. So first is connected to the 3 to 4 and second is connected to the 4 to 5, and then as usual 5 to 6 is that is the self loop, it is continuation of the that information. So previous content will check to the what is the numbers of that information. So F and J and I, G only, F J and G, this is the 3 to 4 self node information. And next this is the C information. So it is clear to the content of G and H and K. So it is created to the self loop G and H and K, it is used to the another path function. So it is as usually we can move to the this step, and next content next step is we can remove to the remove for the content will be no reduction of the that information, we can replace to the self loops. Particularly we can mention to the previous particularly we can mention to the self loop of the that contents. It is clear to the self loops, and at a time we can clear to the node for information also. So remove to the 4 content only. Directly we can connect it to the 5 and 6 as usual, 7 and 2. We can club to the 4 and 5 information. We can combine that one. So it is the information for, because of it is the self loop created and this is the self loop here. So C plus G of HK and A is as usual, and so this is the content of the that information. So it is A plus B plus F, B and F of F and G of H. This is the third content to the third node of the information. We can reflect it to the same number of this information. So 4 and 5 we can club that one, that is the C plus G of HK. It is the addition information. So this is the serial, this is the parallel information. That's why we can combine, that's why we can club to the that's why we can club to the that information, because we can reflect it to the next content of the that information. We can choose to the next information. So some path we can create it to the, so F, J, F, G and same, it is reflected of the that information, reflected to the same information. So it is clear of the content. So like I, L, H and remaining other content is I, M, F. So it is the total regression of the information, total move to the one node to the another node. Next step is the, we can reflect it to the video for that one. This is the next step of the that information. Step 6, use it to the like we can remove to the 4 same as it is, we can reflect it, then that is the C of G plus we can club to the 4 and 5 information. This is the combination of the that information, and it is moved to the like A, B, P plus C. Sum is the, we can skip to the that information, same as is we can reflect it to that information. So next step we can choose next step of the information, removing to the node 4. So node 4 is removing that one, that's why we can club to the that information. Then we can remove to the node 5 producers also, and remove to the 5 producers and 5 node. We can create it to the self loop of the 6, because of we can create it, we can move to the that information. 1 minute. So 5 we can create it to the self loop. So that's why reflected of the that path expression, that is the I and L, HD, that is the parallel information. That's why we can add to the that information. So parallel is used to the multiply, parallel is used to the must and should, addition information, and multiplying used to the like star information, that is the multiply information. Finally we got to the last final producing path expression is that this is the final path expression. So it is moved to the, it is moved to the one content to the another content. It is moved to the role of the path to path. We can club to the this way of the information. We can club to the total information. We can combine what we first of all we can check to the what is the parallel information and what is the multi serial information. So serial information we can check to the serial information, we can multiply that one. Parallel information is we can use it to the addition of the information. Finally we got to the path expression is, it is clubbing the total information, it is moved to the circle of the information. We can reduce to the node, we can reduce to the total of the path expression. So this is the final path expression of the node reduction example. This is the best example of the node reduction algorithm problem, and it is the used to the must and should. We can use of the like parallel information and serial information. We can create it to the nodes, and we can reduce we can redundant to the that nodes. So 1 to like final, we can finalize to the that number, and first we can use it to the 1, and then final we can use it to the 2 only. Because of this middle of the information we can moved we can you detected to that information for step by step. Thank you so much. This is the main important example for the node reduction algorithm. Thank you so much.